In today's video, we're looking at the relational database. A relational database can be assigned having the following relationships. You have one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. Now, in a diagram form, this is how you can represent the different relationships. So we have the one-to-one relationship. And here we have one teacher manages one department, right? And this is how the diagram is represented. Then we have one to many. We have a class with seats and we have many students assigned to those seats, right? So one class can have many students. And here we have many students registers for many different subjects, right? So these are the three main um, relationships that you can have in a relational database, right? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to step back and look at the definition for a database. So the next slide, we'll be looking at the database management. Database management is the use of a computer to efficiently store data, keep the data current, manipulating the data based on the user's requirements and processing it accordingly. Database management also uses a computer to ensure that it is available to those who require the information. Now, the database comprises of tables. So in a database, we use tables to store data about a specific topic. We can consider a table to be an electronic container that is used to store data in a database. We can use tables to store data in a database, for example, a hospital database, a university database, or a supermarket database. The Microsoft Office website states that tables can be defined as database objects that stores all the data in a database. A popular database software is Microsoft Access. So here we have two tables. Table A is a customer information table. Table B is a customer order table. So table A has the information for the companies and the names for the persons who are associated with these companies. Then we have the customer order table labeled table B, where we have the different products. We have the socks, the shoe, and the boot and the shirt. These are the products that the companies would purchase from us. All right, so a relational database. A database is a section of database management that uses a computer or computer system to organize and store data efficiently. A relational database is a database in which the data is organized and stored in one or more tables. Data can be accessed according to the relationships that are made with the different database tables. The relationships are important to reduce errors and enhance efficiency by eliminating data duplication. Relational database. A relational database has three types of relationships. You can design your database to connect the different tables using one of the following database relationships: one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. To recognize these relationships, you have to look at the data and the business requirements and then apply the best relationship for the table and data. We always work with two tables at a time when creating relationships. One table is called the primary or the parent table, while the other is called the related or child table. One-to-one relationship. In a one-to-one relationship, one record in table A is linked to only one record in table B, and only one record in table B is linked to one record in table A. Either table A or table B can be called the primary or parent table. All right, so here we have our tables. We have table A, which has a customer contact information. We have table B, which has the orders which were placed by the customers, right? So product B001 was purchased by customer A002. So we can say that this record is associated with this one, right? And for the socks, which is B003, we have this organization buying this one, right? And for the boot, we have this organization buying the boot, right? Right? And then for the other product, which is the pants, we have this organization buying this product. And for the shirt, we have this organization buying the shirt. So we have a one-to-one relationship, a one-to-many relationship. In a one-to-many relationship, which is abbreviated 1:N, a record in table A can have no link to any record in table B. Table A can have one or more links to many records in table B. Numerous records in table B can be linked to only one record in table A. So there's a potential relationship based on the business organization requirements for one record in table A that could be potentially be related to records in table B, or there may be only one record that is related in table B, but there could be many records which are related in table B, but is only assigned to one record. So here we have table A and table B, and we want to show the relationship. So what we're saying, we have the first company, right? There is no purchase order that was made. So potentially there is no linking between this record, the first record A001, and any over here, because that company did not place an order to order any of our products, right? So that is why we say potentially there could be no linking at all. All right, so for the product B001, this company, VC Trading, placed an order for this product and this product, right? So here are one-to-many. Let's look at the one-to-many relationship. So the customer information table stores a primary key, which is a unique record for every customer. Each customer can make many purchases by placing many orders. There can be many records in the customer order table, but they can only be related to one record in the customer information table. In a one-to-many relationship, the primary table is a table on one side of the relationship, and the related table is a table with the many relationships. In a relational database, a one-to-many relationship is common. We are now looking at the many-to-many relationship. An example of a many-to-many relationship is shown in the next slide. The two tables show the employees table and the projects table. The tables show which employee is assigned to which project. Each project can have more than one worker, and each worker can be assigned to more than one project. This is a many-to-many relationship. We'll be looking on the example of the many-to-many relationships using two tables. The first table is a projects table. We have the job number, we have the title of the job that is being performed in the project, we have the employee number that is assigned, and on the right we have the employees table where we have the employee number, the name of the employee, and the job number that the employee will be doing. So here now we can see that Adam will be assigned to job number 2. He will be assigned to job number 4. Then the next employee, which is Carl, he will be assigned to project 1, right? And he will also be assigned to project 4, yes? And then now Sam will be assigned to project 1, and he will also be assigned to project 3. Then we'll be looking at Tom and project 2, and Tom will also be assigned to project 3. So what we're saying is many employees can be assigned to many projects, and many projects can be assigned to many employees. So these two charts show the many-to-many relationship in a relational database. So this brings us to the end of today's video. We looked at the three types of relationships that you have. You have the one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many relationship. So take care until we meet again. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.